Hello, welcome back. In this session, we're going to create the IK control for the legs. Now, we don't have an IK-FK setup, so we only got one hierarchy, and that's the hierarchy that's going to drive the mesh or deform the mesh. What I'm going to do, I would like to tap into the kind of find where the joint is, which is this one. So we're going to draw an IK handle from the hip, no twist joint to the ankle. So it's basically clicking on there and then to the ankle. It's this one to that one. Those three are in a hierarchy anyway. So yeah, so let's go to create skeleton, create IK handle option box. Make sure we are in a rotate plane. So I'm going to click on left hip, no twist, and then control click on the ankle. And that's what we get. And I shall do the same on the other one. So let's find where the joint is. Here we go. So let's go to skeleton, create IK handle, right hip, no twist, control click on the ankle. And now that too has an IK, which is cool. And the next thing we're going to do, we need to create IKs for the foot as well. But before that, let's sort out the knee control, the knee twist. Similar to the elbows, we can pick and choose something like this. Let's see. Yeah, diamond-like shape. That could work. Left knee twist, CTRL, freeze the transform, and then duplicate that. So R knee twist CTRL. We need to find the IK, so this one is left leg IK handle, and this one is R leg IK handle. Cool. So with this one, with the left one selected, I mean the knee twist, I'm gonna grab its name and I'm gonna group it to itself. That's the knee control. CTRL GRP. That's it. What we would like to do, we would like to position, because as you know, my character's legs, the actual original leg is not perfectly modeled. So what we would like to do, we would like to make sure that we can actually get this knee control to actually facing the knee joint properly and in a nice way, that so that we don't have any weird pops going on. Anyway, so select this guy. That's that one. So what I'm going to do is select the no twist or the thigh, as we call it, the knee and the ankle. All three are selected. I'm using shift, and then on this one I'm going to control click on the left twist control group, which is that guy. And we're going to go to constraint point option box, reset our settings, and press apply. So what we've done, all these three joints are actually trying to point constrain that control group, and it gives us a bit of an alignment. So all those three are trying to pull it. And the next thing I'm going to do, I also want is to, I want that control to actually face this axis. So what we're going to do is select the knee, control click on the left knee twist control group, go to constrain aim, reset all our settings and press apply. That's it. You know how it's nicely now aiming that joint. And then I'm going to delete all those constraints. We use them to just get what we want. And I'm going to pull this guy that way. Roughly something like that. And what I will do, turn on my geo, go to the front view just to figure out where I am. Okay, and then I'll select this guy and then control click on the IK handle and go to constrain pole vector, and that's it. There is no pop. Perfect. Obviously now the challenge is how I'm going to adjust the other side, making sure that they're all in the same place. I'll figure these numbers out, no problem. So anyway, let's do the same thing for the other side. Grab its name, Control G, knee, Control GRP. We're done with the left knee. We're now talking about the right knee. So the thigh joint selected, or the no twist joint, the knee and the ankle, and we control click on the R knee twist control group. We go to constrain point. That's it. And then we'll select the knee, the R knee, control click on the twist control group. Go to constrain aim. That's cool. And then we'll delete those constraints and we get this guy, and we'll just push it, try to adjust both of them. I think we can make a change there. We'll just try to match it. So I'll grab a copy of these numbers, and then this one, 53174. Just gonna try and match it as much as I can. We'll see. I'll select this guy. Let me just turn on my polys. I select this guy, control click on the right IK handle, go to constrain, pole vector, no pop. It's beautiful. Okay, so this side is going to have blue color, so I'll pick this guy, go to display, wireframe display, RGB, blue, press apply, and this side is going to have red color. Now if you think that there will be a pose where the character is going to jump or do something weird, and that you might somehow get these mixed up with the rear ones or the elbow ones, well, then you can pick a different color if you like. But anyway, those two are done, and I'll save my file. And the next thing we're going to do quickly, we're going to go and create the foot controls. But let me just put these guys there. Those two are there. I'm going to select the controls groups and just drag and drop them under the rig group controls group. Like that. Okay. And then bring them back, collapse them. That's it. So now we're going to do some foot controls. Let's see whether this guy has got any foot controls. I think they might have some, but I don't think this is coming up nicely. Okay, Oh well. I'll I'll pick a cube. In fact, I'll turn on the costume so that everything is visible. Initially, I'm going to try and adjust it first of all, and then I'll take it back to where it was. Something like this. Something like that. That's it. What I will do, turn off polys, press the D key, snap this to the ankle joint, press D again, something like this. Initially, actually, I need to. Yeah, that's fine. I'll freeze the transform. That's cool. I'll duplicate this, flip it along the X, and then snap it to this one. Turn on the geo. Yeah, it's fine. That's it. So this one is left foot CTRL, or you can call it left leg. Left leg underscore CTRL. R leg underscore CTRL, and we want to freeze transform. Yeah, making sure those are right. And then I'm going to make the left leg IK handle the child of the left leg control. Oh, I've created something extra there. Here we go. And then right to the right. Okay, and now this guy can do that, and this guy can do that. At this stage, we might even be ready to pass this for the layout once we hooked up the geo. So in the next session, I'm going to show you how to create an IK-FK switch for the arms, and to be able to hide the controls when it's in IK, hide the FK when it's in FK, hide the IKs, and vice versa. And thank you for watching.